Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this, welcome to new vlog. Hope you like the new haircut. Let me know what you think. In case you haven't watched the previous videos, go check them out. I at least feel like I lost 2-3 kilos by doing a small trim and a haircut. Change, that's the only constant thing. And how are things with you guys? Hope you enjoyed the lovely weekend, and thanks for the amazing support for the last video. Out of the 30,000 people that have seen my last video, the R18 review, I got almost 2,000 likes and at least 200 or 300 comments, and everybody loved the Insta360 footage and also the review. Glad you liked it, but still only 30,000 people saw it out of what, 45,000 subscribers. And another interesting part is still half of my viewers haven't subscribed yet, guys. So in case, either do let me know in the comment section what you want, or if you have forgotten that there is a subscribe button, just go hit that subscribe button. And for all who have subscribed, don't forget that bell icon. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm just heading out to meet Chaitanya, to pick up Chaitanya actually. He'll be at Dynamic Riders. You remember Dynamic Riders, right? Where I got my bike's first accessories after the showroom, not even temple visit. So just going there to pick up Chaitanya. He's just giving his bike for a detailed wash. Why am I talking here? Let's actually go there, meet him and talk, because we'll get some interesting answers why he's doing all that. Okay? Hey guys, back in the passenger seat. Now in the passenger seat. Training event, sir. Please, we'll do however you wish.
Hey guys, time is now 3:06. I'm in the passenger seat on the left side.
We're going to see Revolt. Wait, forget about Revolt. Lambo maybe, and an Audi RS7.
Nice road.
Oh, he's very focused while
exactly.
driving. Huh? Oh, by the way, about ride. How are you excited for your first trip in a long?
I'm excited, Andra.
వీడి చేతికి ఇవి, కోతి చేతికి కొబ్బరి చెప్పారు, రెండు ఇవ్వకూడదు.
Take it or no?
అంటే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కోసం చెప్పారా, ఓవర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కాదు. కొట్టారా చెట్లు కొట్టే,
వాడు కట్ చేయాలిరా ఆకులు.
ఇంత ఖాళీ ఉంది రోడ్డు.
ఏమో పక్కన ఎవడన్నా నాకు తెలియదు, నీ కెమెరా అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓ డామ్.
అరే అంత లాంగ్ ఏమైందిరా ట్రిప్ కి మనము?
When was your last
before lockdown?
Kerala? Feb. ఇంత రింగ్ అవుతుందా కాల్ రాజుడు? లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్ ఆటో ఆన్ OnePlus 5. ఎవడు కాల్ చేస్తాడు కూడా తెలియట్లేవరా. I think I seriously need to buy the new iPhone. Tempted to get the 12, but నవ్వుతున్నావు ఏంటి? నువ్వు కొంటావు 12 Pro Max. US నుంచి మెల్లగా తెప్పించుకుంటావు.
ఉన్న ఐఫోన్ అమ్మేసినావు,
ఇప్పుడు అందుకనే ఫీల్ అవుతున్నా.
పాత జమానా క్రితం ఆండ్రాయిడ్ ఫోన్ వాడుతున్నావు, ఇప్పుడు సీరియస్లీ ఇంటూ
funny thing is both are at the same time. This 2017 is 12 Pro Max better than 12 Pro? That's the reviews I'm waiting for.
I think people are wasting their time trying to compare the 12 and 12 Pro, because people don't usually compare those two. It's a question of how much money do you want to spend. Within that money, what's the better phone you can get? So if you can afford the 12 Pro, why would you not get the 12 Pro and get the 12?
It's just a matter of price difference, dude. I think it's just that in India, the price difference is almost 40,000. So you're getting 90% of the phone for, let's say, 60% of the price. So that's why people are comparing 12 and 12. Anyway, I'm going to check out Revolt. So quick facts, it has a range of apparently 150 kilometers, the Revolt 400, and has a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour. 150 is as good as this car. So have you heard of this brand, Revolt?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Any expectations?
Nope. Heard about it, forgot about it. Srijan.
Battery.
అదే ఫుల్ ఫ్యామిలీ.
Green. Number చెప్పు సృజన్.
అదే నెంబర్ మారింది, కొత్త నెంబర్.
Hey guys, testing out the Revolt 400. That sound is from this bike? Yeah. Oh damn. ఏంది జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోవడమేనా? ఓకే, నో క్లచ్, నో బ్రేక్స్. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ సౌండ్. Pranav, you have been complaining there is no sound on the EVs, so here you go. Arey, decent sound. Initially I thought this was coming from a different bike, but oh boy. Braking is good. Arey, brakes are nice, yaar. Front brakes. So don't ask me. So here are the specs for the Revolt 400. I didn't memorize any of the specs. This is by Rahul Sharma, who is the Micromax owner, if you remember. The mirrors are not exactly clear. There is slight bent. Simple, nice, simple dash. 32% battery left. So it has done 1674 kilometers. Range is 44 kilometers. Temperature indicator hai. So Chaitanya is riding the RV300 with one of the sales guy on the back. E number lenti 1-3 అని ఉంది.
Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3.
Oh, Mode 3 is the speed. How is it?
It's very grabby initially.
Brakes are very strong. So దీంట్లో range చాలా తక్కువ.
Charge ఎంత ఉంది దాంట్లో?
32 इसमें 71% चलेगी. ये भी आएगा. I'll just test for a short while. And then వచ్చేస్తుందా?
మస్తు అయిపోతుంది. అది పెద్దదా దీంట్లో?
I think same.
రెండు సేమ్ అన్న బాడీ.
Just a battery capacity different.
ఓన్లీ బ్యాటరీ ఒకటే డిఫరెంట్.
Motor same ఆ?
సేమ్.
Oh.
మోటార్ డిఫరెంట్. ఇది హబ్ మోటార్. అది బెల్ట్ డ్రివెన్.
Belt driven. Okay. So this is more like Ather. Belt driven. Okay, that's full acceleration. 55. Super silent. Funny thing is you can turn the sound on and off. No sound, see? Actually it's quite eerie without the sound. Not even the typical EV hum. Oh, 75. Oh boy. Didn't even realize that. No horn. Quality is on the low side, guys. Not that great in quality, but oh boy, it has some power. Probably hit 80 already, but it's just not like really pulling. It's a very linear pull that you have on this bike. Very linear. Quite flickable. Decent tire grip. Not that great. Let's see. We have a corner coming up. Oh, nice. Horn. I'm missing the horn. It's very occasional. It's very moody. Let's wait for Chai. He wanted to switch on this bike. I think I got a good impression on this bike. See this rev counter? That is the sound from the speaker. Oh boy, this is hilarious. So the battery sits here. You can replace the battery, charge it along with the battery or separately, up to you. Let's see how it handles downhills. I have left the accelerator. Oh boy, this is a different experience to all other EVs that I tried. I'm not even accelerating. Downhill mein aaram se ja raha hai. Typically there will be a lot of regen. I can't do this on my Nexon EV for sure. Uphill aa raha hai. Let's see. Keeps going. Crawl mode. 4 kilometers range kam ho gaya in the short span of 2 kilometers, I guess. Nothing else to show, guys. You can, there's the horn button, indicators, lights up and down. This is the mode button, 3, 2, 1. It's power off now. What did I do? ఇది పవర్ ఆన్ ఆఫ్ ఎట్లా? రిమోట్ ఉంది కానీ ఏం అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఏ బటన్ అది? ఇది పవర్ బటన్. ఇది GPS లొకేషన్, లాక్ అన్లాక్. ఓకే. So this is the Revolt 300, guys. This has a range of 180 kilometers compared to the 151. and everything is same except for the battery and the motor, and this is a hub driven motor whereas that's a belt driven motor. Charging ekkadana? Oh, waterproof మొత్తం. This is decent here. I think I like the 400 more, but apparently a lot of people elderly above 40-50 are choosing this. That's the typical demographic for this bike, whereas for the 400 it's much more 25 to maybe 45. Finally got it.
You want me to hold it?
That's okay. MCB, yeah? Oh.
మనం ఆన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంసీబీ ఆఫ్, బ్యాటరీ రిమూవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంసీబీ ఆఫ్ చేసుకొని
ఇది అలా. Okay. Oh shit. That's heavy.
21 kgs.
Oh wow. Can you try putting it back? Try just.
Just drop it in.
ఓకే క్రాస్.
Oh. And you put this back and the turn the MCB. That's it.
So దీంట్లో మనకి స్టోరేజ్ స్పేస్ అన్నట్టు ఏమీ
లేదు, జీరో.
That's the dash.
బ్యాటరీ పర్సెంటేజ్, రేంజ్.
So you're saying there is 3,999 per month for subscription.
సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఫర్ RV400, RV300 ఇట్ ఈస్ 2,990.
2,900. And no service cost for both the options. Outright కొనేసినా కూడా డబ్బులేమి.
అవుట్ రేట్ ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు ఏం మనీ పే చేసే అవసరం లేదు. సర్వీస్
6 సర్వీసెస్ ఫ్రీ.
6 సర్వీసెస్ స్టిల్ 50,000 కిలోమీటర్స్.
నార్మల్గా ఒకవేళ ఫ్రీ తర్వాత ఎంత ఉంటుంది కాస్ట్?
ఫ్రీ తర్వాత ఇప్పటి వరకు నార్మల్ 1,500 2,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది.
అంతే.
మెయింటెనెన్స్ అయితే ఏముండదు, ఓన్లీ బ్రేక్ ప్యాడ్స్,
బ్రేక్ ప్యాడ్స్,
Disc oil change చేసుకోవాలి.
మెయింటెనెన్స్ టైర్లు కూడా కవర్డ్ అన్నారు కదా.
టైర్ వన్ టైం టైర్ రిప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫర్
Warranty
ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ టైర్ వారంటీ.
అచ్చా.
మనం మొత్తం కీతో స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు వెహికల్.
ఓ
లాక్ అన్లాక్.
అచ్చా. So it goes down. There's no exhaust. You are asking for the fee. 4 different sounds. Take one.
దీంట్లో మనీ రాగా ఉంది. Take 2.
చూసారా ఇందాక the vlog started on a very serious note. We were talking tech, phones.
First, I want to hear what you thought of it.
I have to double check the price. If the price is 1.5 lakhs,